Police in Texas say they're looking for a Porta Potty pyro whose fireworks show they say constitutes a felony. Authorities in Southlake say it happened at a construction site. Surveillance video shows a male, thought to be in his late teens or early 20s, cross a parking lot and open the door of a portable toilet. Moments later, he runs away, and that's when the magic happens. Police say he fled the scene in a Ford F-150 that was driven by someone else. They say this wasn't just harmless fun. Not only was a $5,000 porta potty destroyed, the resulting fire damaged a trailer and nearby building. Luckily, the fire department arrived fast enough to extinguish the flames before they got out of hand. Authorities are now asking the public to help identify the vehicle or the suspects, who really should have left the fireworks show to the professionals.